And I ordered some of the things online, and I just received the parcel, and I want to share it with you. What are the things that I have ordered, and I will make some cool projects which will be uploaded soon after this, when I will make all the projects, and I will upload it for you with all the codes and schematics and everything. And if you are following my channel, you can also watch my other videos, and I made already so many cool projects, and I hope you will like it. And the things that I have ordered online, which I needed personally for my use, and I wanted to show it to you. So let's move on to the table, and I will show you. That I have ordered is this digital multimeter, and I found it very fascinating because its LED is lighter. So I had already multimeter, but this one is really good, so I just needed it for my experimentation. So let me show it to you. How does it look like? And they come with all the wires. These are props, and if you are familiar with the use of multimeter, you have to connect this black wire with the COM pin, which is common, and you have to plug right there, and the red wire you will connect to this voltage, ohm and milliamp. This is where you have to connect this red wire, and there you go, you can use this multimeter. So turn on this multimeter, you have to rotate this dial. You can rotate anywhere you want. If you want to measure the AC voltage, you have to rotate this way. If you want to measure the amps, you have to rotate this way. If you want to measure the DC voltage, which is at this side, and if you want to measure the resistance, or this is on this side. And if you press this button, which has this sun icon, which you will, when you press on this, the LED lights up. This is the reason I bought this multimeter, and it is really good feature when you are working in little bit shady places where you can't see what are the readings. So you, in this situation, you can look at it very clearly. So this is the first thing that I bought, and I really liked it. So moving on, let's just leave it right here. I bought this soldering iron as well, and this is very necessary for me because it has a cool feature which can be very handy. Uh, the feature is on this multimeter is to control the temperature. So it has on and temperature control, so you can control the temperature for any soldering situation where you are soldering, and it is very good. And you can also change those bits by doing that, and you can change this one. But this is really cool, and I really liked it, and that's why I ordered this one. I had already other soldering iron I wanted to show you, and this is my old soldering iron, and this one is really good, that's why I bought it. And with this soldering iron, and I bought another thing, which is its stand, and let me show that to you as well. and this is the soldering iron stand, and it's really cool and very handy, and it came with this. It is like this, and you have to, screw that in the springy part, and then you can place your soldering iron right there. So it's a really cool thing. As you can see, you can tighten up here, so it will stay right like this. So this is also necessary for any project maker or an electronics person. This is a good thing. So moving on, next I have another thing that I wanted to share is this hot glue gun. I bought this because it has a very small nose, and very thin layer of glue is came out, but and this is also good, which is necessary to join everything, most of the things. So I ordered also so many Arduino components, and I ordered Arduino Uno, which is I have here Arduino Uno, where it came with this cable. They are very nice to give us this cable with it, and I ordered this keypad and 2 joysticks. These are very handy, and I will show these also on the screen. And I do have this ESP8266 node MCU. If you are familiar with it, I will make the projects with this and Arduino as well. And I ordered this relay module for home automation project, and I will be making with ESP and this relay module. And on the other hand, I ordered these reed switches, which are very unique in their purpose. You can use it on doors to trigger alarms, and I will be using this on home security process. I will make project on this. So I ordered these components, and I do have some other things as well, like I have this. I can open this package, and this package I have this ultrasonic sensor. I will be making ultrasonic sensor as well, because I ordered this. I wanted to make an autonomous car using Raspberry Pi and Arduino Uno, and this ultrasonic sensor. This will help us to measure the distance between the cars. So this is a future project that I will be making, and I will give a proper guide on this. So this is that's why I ordered before, and I ordered these LEDs, which are these are 10 mm LEDs, way bigger than the 5 mm, and I just ordered 10 of these just to make a light show. This is very good. And I ordered this 20 by 4 display LCD display, and I will be I will connect this LED display with this Arduino to display what's going on, and you can display many things on this, and it is very good if you add this in your project, and it can display everything on what are the things. And when you are connecting this keypad, it will ask for the password, and when you will give a password, it will show right there. So this is a good thing. And actually I bought these 2 relay channel modules for separate things, and I will be making another project. And I ordered this soldering wire as well, because I ordered this soldering iron, and soldering wire is also necessary for the project. So these are very quite handy things. And next thing that I have here, to make this project, I ordered these jumper wires as well, the short wires and also the long wires. so I can make different projects with it. And these are really cool wires, and I think every hobbyist need these wires as well. And after that, I have ordered these glue gun sticks for glue gun. And actually, the glue gun is small and these sticks are bigger. This is the mistake they have made when they are sending us. They should have checked are they match with it, but these are not matching. But I do have a big glue gun, so it's not gonna be a problem for me. I will keep this way. And I do order this LM7805, which is voltage regulator ICs, because as you know that the ESP 32 8266 doesn't have 5 volt pin to power this 5 channel relay module, so it has only 3.3 volt. So I will be using this 705 voltage regulator, and I will apply external supply to power this relay channel module. And these are very handy, and you have to be sure about it how you can use it. They have only 3 terminals: input, output, and middle one is just ground. So these are all the components that I have, and I will be making so many projects with it. And keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.